Hi, my name is Tiffany Shabazz, and I have been fighting this whole entire situation for my husband being abused in a nursing home for about 2 years. My husband was recently in an accident in 2021. April 1st, 2021, he was hit by a car on the freeway as a pedestrian. He then got thrown into got thrown into the hospital, of course, which was Mercy San Juan on Coyle Avenue in Carmichael, California. That's where his sisters came up and illegally had me removed away from Iman's bedside while Iman was telling everybody, including the nurses, that he wanted protection from Tasha Davis and Lorraine Haley. They then threw him in a nursing home against his will. I'm a CNA of 25 years. I had no problem with taking him home and taking care of him the right way. When they threw him into the nursing home, instead of putting him into a acute rehab, they put him into a dementia facility and had him falsely diagnosed with dementia. They also had him falsely diagnosed with diabetes. When Iman went in there, he did not have bed sores. He did not have a broken leg anymore. His spine and his hips were unremarkable after his accident, but now his spine and his hips are misaligned. He was not paralyzed. He was able to actually get a prosthetic, but they took that away from him by not giving him the therapy he needed. Therefore, Iman is now paralyzed for the rest of his life because of his sisters and Windsor Care Center in Sacramento, California. So they then prevented Iman from being able to use a phone to talk to his children, being able to get all the gifts that we sent from his children, and he wasn't able to talk to me, his wife that he's been with for 25 years. We just weren't married legally, but California used to recognize us as being married as a common law, but apparently we don't do that anymore in California. So in the meantime of him being in this nursing home, he got a lot of damage, and I'm going to show you real fast.
This way, man. I'm a tool too. So what do I know about being good or bad?
So I'm also going to get them for the food stamp fraud, the Social Security fraud, and the Medi-Cal fraud that they got. Defamation of character by saying I'm on drugs and other things. Violation of Probate Code 2351, which says that you cannot take his rights away, that they did. They gave false information regarding prior court cases, telling people that they won, when in reality it was never won. It was actually dismissed. They lied under oath that it was mandatory that Iman be locked away when he was actually had been discharged since 8/1/2021. I had to get a judge's order on February 14th of 2022, and I should have never had to do that. They prevented Iman's children from speaking. They intimidated a sexual assault victim by telling him you can't have your father unless you stop talking about my little brother and the sexual assault that he did to you. They placed, I said that already, standing in the way of him getting rehabilitation when I had it ready for him to go and had friends to do so. Social isolation and so much more. I need a California attorney to help me put this into words.